Hello and welcome back to Nicole's channel and to our 131 and growing subscribership. Thanks for joining us again. Today's episode is inspired by one of our fellow YouTubers, Senior Citizen Sue. First, a shout out to you. Sue has this theory that the smaller the box, the more polyester is contained inside. And if that's the case, I should be getting hives right now and pitting out just thinking about it. So I guess I'll start off by saying that I am surprised that we have a teeny weeny itty bitty box, because I said, for the love of God, it is winter in Minnesota, stop sending me tank tops. So I don't know how 5 sweaters are going to fit in here, but we're going to find out.
Whoa, look at that color.
Look at that color. So here's our bundle.
Zooming in.
All right, we have a little Sam Edelman. I love the color on this. All right, so that's the Sam Edelman. Look at this color. It's got a little, oh, you know what?
Adrienne had that in a slightly different color.
In a different color. You know what, Nicole? I love this. This is the quick release sweater seen on Brittian's episode. I actually asked for it a couple times ago. This is what this is. It's mustardy and flowy. And then this one. All right, so those are my 5 items. I definitely can tell you that 3 of the 5, like, my heart is aflutter.
Brigette is modeling the first item from the box. You are looking at the Leo and Nicole Zaryn Cotton Blend Poncho Pullover. Per her stylist suggestion, she is wearing the Rebel Wilson X skinny jeans and also these Diva boots that she received in an earlier box as well.
It's a really cute outfit. This takes some getting used to because it's fitted at the arm, which is nice. It has this ribbing cuff and then like a different, I think it's like a brioche knitting texture above. And then the poncho style, you've got this cute little scalloped edging, but look how high up it goes. Like I have just my t-shirt on under it. So I definitely would want to get like a nicer tank or, you know, cami under it. If I'm just standing like this, I feel like it looks really nice on me. But then when it's just like this shape, it feels like maybe it's the wrong size. Like, look at what's going on here. I've never worn this style shape, so I'm not really sure how it's supposed to be worn. I wish the neck also had more structure in it.
It does look like you'd have to play around with it probably.
You definitely got to play around with it. You got to make sure that the cami you put under it is a V so that you get a little bit of the skin here. I'm gonna go try some more things.
Well, before you go, is that made out of polyester?
Oh yes. 55 cotton, 37 acrylic, and 8 polyester.
Ding, ding, ding. So we've got 1 polyester.
We've got some polyester.
All right. Brigette is back, and now she is modeling the Warren split neck blouse by the brand Lush.
Well, putting the blouse on, it really reads more like a baby diarrhea than a mustard. Like, I really love mustard. And this has got more of a brown tinge to it. I love like the brushed brass little button detail on the tab sleeve.
Okay.
I wanted to point out how, you know, it's figure affirming. It's got some darts in it so that it comes in. It's not just a big box. And then look at the detail on the back of it. So it scoops down a little bit more. And then it's got like a little thing going here.
And the question of the day, is it polyester?
100%!
Ding, ding, ding. 2 for 2 on the polyester. Is it that granular polyester? What is it?
Oh yeah, watch. I'm coming up to the camera and we're just going to make that noise. Get that noise in there. Oh yes, polyester.
Brigette's back showing us the 3rd item. This is the Allan Surplice Rolltab High-Low Blouse by the brand West Key. Navy or black?
It's black.
Black with a kind of renegade polka dot.
It's got a lot of things going on. Let's just get into it. So tab sleeve, a little pearlesque button to it. It's a faux wrap, although it doesn't come over very far on the inside. So I would definitely want to do a little pin or a cute little brooch or something here because it's ready. The V's a little bit too deep, like if I were to wear this for a work presentation, but a little lace cami will fix that. I gotta say that what I like about this is there's this elasticy stretch here, but usually when that goes through the whole piece at the bottom, you get this pear, this bubble. And what you actually get in the back is the drop down. And so you get this nice silhouette here where it's almost like you've tucked it in here.
It's like a fake front tuck.
Yeah, yeah. So it's not going anywhere. You don't have to worry about it. I mean, it's, see, there we go with that little boop-a-doo right there. This feels like me because we've got the button detail, we've got the polka dot detail, we've got the black. But I'm starting to pit.
So let's verify, is it polyester?
100%.
Ding, ding, ding. Starting up top, you are looking at the Bobeau Kirbee button detail open cardigan in dark green. And moving down to the bottom, we've got these Sam Edelman stiletto high-rise skinnies in gray.
When Brittian got this in her box, I immediately was just like, give me all of that, because the softness, which is why she kept it, I feel like the color looks great on me. You can give it a couple different looks. So you can wear it here with a little sash. If you wanted to do more of an open cardigan, you've also got that option. So easy breezy, nice and floyd.
And it does have, it looks like pockets in the sides too. And does it pass the polyester test?
Oh, 75% rayon, 21 poly.
Ding, ding, ding. 4 for 4. So you've got the sweater paired with the Sam Edelman jeans.
Yes, I do.
These are also a returning guest on our show.
Can we just look at the booty for a minute? Length is absolutely perfect. I've got a heeled booty on with it right now, and look where it hits at.
Perfect.
So in the summer, if I were to wear these, you know, skinny pants with a cute little leopard flat, it's not going to look like the flood is coming. It's still going to hit at the ankle for me. I love them.
Yeah, they look really nice.
Yeah. I've got the bag of protection, which means something might be going in it. So we set off in this episode to test Senior Citizen Sue's theory that the smaller the box, the more the polyester. And boy, oh boy, Sue. So behold my pile of poly, and we're going to bag it or untag it.
That is the Leo and Nicole poncho. How much would you pay for that poncho?
I think Stitch Fix wants $68 for it.
They do.
But I like this one, and I'm not sure what to do with it, honestly. So I'm going to hold on to it for a minute and see what happens.
The Warren split neck blouse.
I just don't want this. I don't think it looks good on me.
The West Key Surplice. Surplice tops have been kind of a mixed bag on our show.
Yeah, so I'm just not sure. So I'm going to hold on to this and see what the price is. I call this the quick release. And I'm also calling it Mine Bitches!
Ooh, rip off that tag.
I don't even care the price because I have a $150 credit. Last but certainly not least,
The Sam Edelmans.
they did the body good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm really torn. I know these are like $100, and I'd rather save that cash for the perfect pair of jeans because I know they're out there. Yeah, so these are gonna go in the bag. With that, we hope that you got some laughs out of this. We hope we get some likes, some shares, some subscribes, and we will be back soon featuring Nicole, who is on the camera today, and we've got, who else is coming up?
We don't have anyone coming up. Our channel's dying.
So if you're interested, we've got referral credits. Hit the links below so that you can get that credit, get a box. It's really pain-free. The little quizzes are fun.
You'd be like the best person on those telethons.
Oh yeah, I know.
You really
I'm actually going to volunteer PBS down the street. They want people to do the phones during the live.
I feel like the person that would be on the TV.
Don't you think I'm working towards that? Get on the app, do the quiz.
Just pick up the phone, make that call. The orphans are waiting. Just $1 a day.
What are you waiting for? come on our show. It'll be a lot of fun, I promise. Until then,
Peace.